Hey there, I know Medicare can feel overwhelming, but let's break it down together so you don't miss a beat. First things first, should you apply? If you're turning 65 soon, your Medicare initial enrollment period begins 3 months before your birthday month and ends 3 months after. That's a 7-month window. Mark your calendar, you don't want to miss it. Now, do you apply? Let's walk through your options. Option 1, in person at the Social Security office. You'll want to call ahead and make an appointment to save yourself some time. Bring your ID, Social Security card, and any relevant paperwork. The staff there can walk you through the whole process, step by step. Option 2, by phone. Just call 1-800-772-1213. Fair warning, sometimes the hold times can be long, so pack a little patience. But once you're connected, they'll help you get started. Option 3, online. This is the quickest way if you're comfortable on the computer. Head to the official Social Security website and log into your My Social Security account. Not set up yet? No worries. If you need a hand, just call Michael Hixson at 405-876-4379. He's ready to help you through it. And remember, you'll find all this info and more at the bottom of your screen. www.empowerseniors.insure. If this helped you, hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share the video with a friend who might need a little Medicare guidance too. Let's make Medicare easy together.